Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea, and we're at Sunday again. Every Sunday I upload a video of me making a card, a Christmas card, which is for the Joy of Sets Christmas album, and this is card number 10. Can't believe I've made 10 already and I've stuck with it for 10 weeks. My black's got a bit fuzzy around there. Right, so this card was in you might have seen that last week I did a scrapbooking page, a New York scrapbooking page, and this card was inspired by that. I used a couple of bits in that. That was following a sketch, and I used a couple of bits and I thought, oh, that looks gorgeous, that'd make a lovely card, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm starting off with one of my Craft Stash UK cards, which measure 5 7/8 by 4 1/8, and then I've got a piece of basic black from Stampin Up, which is just a quarter inch smaller, so that is 5 1/4 by 4. Okay, and that's going to go on. That's my base, so I'm going to pop that on with some Tombow. Yeah, every Sunday, if you don't know, every Sunday I upload a Christmas card for which I pop in the Joy of Sets album. The album's getting quite full. There's some beautiful things in there, because obviously everybody else is doing it as well. It's lovely. And then I'm going to use this piece of Broadway bound foiled paper. It's foiled with gold, but it also has grey and black dots, so it gives the impression that the grey and black are also foiled, but they're not. So I'm going to pop that on. I mean, you might want to add a gold layer behind this. I like the way it kind of feels. This isn't a Christmas paper, but it's very Christmassy. It feels like snow. It feels a bit bouquet. It's really nice. Okay. And then I've got the snowflake. Now, I don't know whether to put the whole snowflake on or not. I've got my sentiment's very simple and straightforward. That's there. So I don't know whether to put the whole snowflake on or not, or to cut it off a little bit and have it a bit more sort of, I don't know. I think I'm going to put the whole thing on. I think I'm just going to go the whole hog. Maybe have this cutting across some of it instead, do it that way. Yeah, so I'm going to put the whole thing on. These snowflakes are from last year's Stampin' Up. I think it was Seasons of Cheer Sweet. And I got them in the clearance rack for next to nothing. I can't remember, they were just really, really inexpensive, and you get loads of them. You get gold and silver ones. So if you see some on resale, grab some. People might be selling them off, you never know, on eBay or wherever. Okay. Careful with that, because I've got a bit of glue coming through. That gives a sort of a 3D effect actually. It looks like it's standing off, but it's not. It's just the lovely lush design. Now, I just want to get some gold thread, so just excuse me a second. It's just a messy confusion of thread. I'm just going to join these two pieces together. I'm going to have to find that gold thread. because it's come back into Stampin' Up in this new catalogue, so no point in me buying some more when I've still got what looks like the exact same thing. Just touch that with dimensionals. Give some dimension. I've actually put it in the wrong place, so I'm terrible at lining things up. And then put some more dimensionals. I'm just using the back of this, the edging strip from my old dimensional pack, just because I don't want to waste it. And then I'm just going to pop that on top there. And then one last thing is last Halloween, I think it was, yeah. There was black rhinestones, and I've got some of those. I think I got these on clearance. I get lots of things on clearance because, you know, it's handy when you can save a lot of money by buying things on clearance. I'm just going to pop that in the centre there. And I might just pop a couple of small ones down here. Now the dogs have come back to haunt me. They wanted to play outside, and because I didn't go with them, they've come back in because they like me to play football with them. Well, my older dog likes football, the younger one likes to just chase me around the garden with a rabbit. Right, there we go. So that's that card. That's my 10th entry. So a bit of pushing the boat out with a bit of foiling for that. Yeah, I'm enjoying that card. I think it's really lovely. Like I said, you could have another layer of gold. You could have another layer of gold behind here, and you could have a layer of gold on your sentiment, or you could add a bit of glitter. You could add little more rhinestones onto the black dots even. Okay, but that's my card for now. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.